told you I had time. Okay, there it goes. I couldn't tell because I was panicking. Yeah, there it goes. Washboard. Yeah, I'll look in there. Hold on one. Well, I was panicking, dude. On one. Yep. Whoa. Uh-huh. Oh, it's a long one, too. Yep. It went through on a green rag, I knew it. I was right. It's a washboard. Yeah. Recording, relax. Long train. Okay, I'm just saying. I was checking. Sorry, it's a little hard to see in the sun. That's the tunnel right there. You can see the westbound going out of the tunnel. 10th Street, yep. You can't see it too much, huh? It's alright. You can still see them. They know, huh? They know. They know, don't worry about it. Okay. I don't know. Long one. No, it's still good. It's still going. Oh my god. I know. Going down, hopefully it will stop. He may, I don't know. That might. The judge will leave. I don't wanna. You know what I mean. Here, let me zoom in on it a little bit. It's getting a little bit hard to see. There we go. Beat. I don't know. There's the end. Yep. Alright, I'm done.